Welcome back to Maths in an Empty Classroom with me, Mr. Southern. This is part 4 of the second lesson on compound angle identities, and in this video I'm going to be doing an equation that involves the tan compound angle identity. It's the first time I've visited this during this set of videos. So what I have here is I'm being asked to solve, again for 0 to 360, the equation tan 2 theta plus tan 35 all over 1 minus tan 2 theta tan 35 equals 0.4. And now there is a tan identity, a compound angle identity for tan, but because students aren't used to using it, they tend not to spot that that's what's going on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just write out the identity tan A plus B equals tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. And just by writing that out, you can probably see really easily that wherever I have A, I've got 2 theta, and wherever I see B, I've got 35 degrees. And what that means is I can very simply change this equation from all of this using this identity here to tan 2 theta plus 35 equals 0.4. So just using that tan A plus B identity, I've changed expanded form to compound angle form, and this equation is straightforward. I've got tan and then 2 theta plus 35 in a bracket equals 0.4. So I'm going to do tan inverse of 0.4 on my calculator, which is 21.8. And tan repeats every 180. So I've got 2 theta plus 35 equals 21.8, 201.8, 381.8, 561.8 and 741.8. You'll see why I'm going this way in a minute. It's because when I subtract 35 from 21.8, I'm going to get a negative result, which will be outside my range of 0 to 360. So I'm going to be ignoring that one. So 2 theta is going to be 166.8. That's subtracting 35 from that one. 346.8, 526.8 and 706.8. And then finally, all I have to do to go from theta to 2 theta is to divide by 2. So that's going to give me theta is 83.4, 173.4, 263.4 and 353.4. So as you can see, 4 values for theta within the range 0 to 360, and they are the 4 solutions to my equation. But the key thing was right at the start spotting that this was the expanded form of the tan compound angle identity. Putting it back into compound angle form made a really straightforward equation to solve. Thanks for your company. I'll see you again.